Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna kind of go over the channel a little bit about all the different playlists, series, try to really explain all the different types of information we have here. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. You guys have actually been an absolutely awesome audience. We've gotten tons more subscribers. So I kind of wanted to just take a second to make sure that everybody knew what was available. So if you are new here and you haven't hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, please go ahead and hit that because we have videos coming out all the time. So all right, you may or may not know that the playlists are broken down in sequential order, but also they are broken into subgroups of all the different topics, series, libraries that we are building. So I just wanted to take a second and make sure that you knew all the resources that are available at your disposal. So right now we're currently working on Kivy, tkinter, matplotlib, let's see, what else? Pandas, NumPy. So all those are available, but we've done, and we're still working on Pygame, and then those are actually then broken out in the Pygame series, and then specifically just Pygame Sprite videos. Then we've done a few on collections. That's actually a reminder to me that we need to continue on with that. But here we are. Then I just break out the Pygame Draw. If you're not sure how to use Pygame Draw, that functionality, just the font. Then I know OS Path can be very, very intimidating when you're first learning. It was for me. Then just right here, histograms for Matplotlib. And then also, if you are, I know one thing that I never really understood when I was first looking at generator objects, but then I even break out the string module and the random module, and then we have, like I said, we just have a ton of videos still out there, and then some. No, I was just working with a student the other day, list comprehension. Well, I knew that was very challenging for some individuals, me included, when I was learning, because I didn't wrap my head around the order of things. So I've done 22 videos just on list comprehensions and 10 specifically just for keywords. So I wanted to take a second and just make sure you knew of everything at your disposal, because the channel is becoming so large and so many videos for resources, but also things can get lost, and I do not want that to happen. So if there is a subject that you're interested in, 24 on strings, 34 that contained loops, 26 that had lists, and conditional statements, 25. So if you're new here and you're overloaded and you need some practice or some resources on a subject matter, don't forget to utilize the playlist resource at your disposal. So I just wanted to take a second today and make sure that you knew everything was at your disposal. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests, or these playlists were actually an idea from the audience. So if you have another thought or a different way to organize these, please let me know, because your guys' feedback has made this channel successful. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.